Multifunctional hot stamping fusing transfer machine. This machine is suitable for all kinds of fabrics, such as shoe factories, garment factories, bonding, commonly used professional equipment. Upper and lower independent temperature control design. Conveyor belt inlet. Finished product outlet. Pressure regulation. Suitable for adhesive lamination, hot stamping, foaming, hot stamping, etc. Lay the fabric flat on the table. Place hot melt adhesive on top and lay the other side of the fabric on top. Pushed into the feed opening and glued by hot pressing in the temperature zone. Waiting for the product to come out of the finished product outlet. Product effect firm bonding. Suitable for all kinds of fabrics, lining shrinkage process of drying ironing.